If you want to turn off search suggestions on Microsoft Edge browser, you're in the right place. In this quick guide, I'll show you exactly where to find the setting and how to disable it so your searches feel cleaner, faster, and a little more private. If this helps, go ahead and hit like and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials. Let's jump in. First, open Microsoft Edge on your computer. In the top right corner, click the three-dot menu to open the main browser options. From there, choose Settings. This is where Microsoft Edge keeps all of its browser controls, privacy options, and search preferences. Once you're in Settings, look at the menu on the left side and click Privacy, Search, and the Services. This section contains a lot of the controls related to browsing data, tracking, and search behavior. It may seem like a lot at first, but we only need one specific area. Now scroll until you find Search and Connected Experiences. Click that option to open the settings related to how Edge handles search features and connected services. Inside this section, you'll see another option called Address Bar and Search. Go ahead and open that. Here is the setting you're looking for. Find search suggestions and filters, and then locate the option that says Show me search and site suggestions using my typed characters. This is the feature that makes Edge suggest searches as you type in the address bar. To turn it off, simply toggle that setting off. Once it's disabled, Microsoft Edge will stop showing search suggestions based on your typed characters, which can help reduce distractions and make your browser feel more streamlined. If you want, you can also check the other search-related settings in this area to make sure Edge is behaving the way you want. Depending on your preferences, you may want to review anything that affects address bar results, suggestions, or connected search experiences. After changing the setting, you can close the Settings tab right away. There's usually nothing else you need to save because Edge applies the change automatically. You should now notice fewer or no search suggestions when you type in the address bar. And that's it. You've successfully turned off search suggestions on Microsoft Edge browser. If this video helped you, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss an easy step-by-step tech guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.